Welcome to Keystone School of Engineering, where education meets innovation and the nature embrace the learning. In this video, I'm taking you on a tour of a campus. We are stepping into our administrative building, where the backbone of college runs. As we can see, these are the 6 Centers of Excellence Keystone has, which we'll see further. One of the most valuable resources at a college is our panel of industrial mentors. It's my privilege and honor to let you all know that our director, Mr. Yashodhan Soman sir, who has been awarded by Mr. Chandrakant Dada Patil in the honor of Best Mentorship Program. Keystone provides you the highest package of 35 LPA and average package of 5.5 LPA. Keystone also provides you with the 100% placement assistance. This is the backbone of Keystone School of Engineering. First, we have the inquiry desk, where all the parents and students get the information and assistance. Here, we have student section and account section, where you can place all your queries related documentation and finance. Right here, we have the cabin of a principal who is always supportive and approachable. Adjacent to it, we have a cabin of our respected director, Dr. Yashodhan Soman sir. This is the Department of AI and DS, a perfect blend of academic rigor and practical exposure. We have Palo Alto Lab, where you can do a hands-on practice on cybersecurity. Beside it, we have Seminar Hall, a well-equipped with audio-visual tools, where it hosts student seminars, expert talks. Next, we have Red Hat Academy, a hands-on learning in Linux and open source operating system, certified programs, practical modules, and a real-time problem solving. This provides you all. Right next to it, we have Oracle Lab, focused on enterprise of database management. Students get exposure to the real-time application, database management, and many more. Let's head upstairs to the computer engineering department. Here's a Domo Lab, a space for innovation and prototyping. From IoT to automation projects, students bring their ideas to life here. As we proceed forward in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication, let me show you the labs. This is IoT lab associated with Orbital. As we see here, there are many projects made manually. We know this field is upcoming in ENTC. Next, we have Object-Oriented Programming Lab. As we know, ENTC is not just limited to hardware. It also works on software skills. For developing these skills, we have specially 3 dedicated labs to it. First is Object-Oriented Programming Lab. This is a digital electronic lab where we learn about circuits, frequency modulation, and phase modulation. Here we have the well-equipped lab of power electronics, providing students with hands-on experience using advanced instrument and setups. These labs help us to bridge the gap between theory and practical knowledge, preparing students for the real-world challenges. The classroom here are not just spacious, but it is beautifully open to nature. This greenery outside window creates a peaceful and calm environment to study. Welcome to our library, the most peaceful space on campus. Whether you're preparing for exams or just reading, this space has it all: physical books, e-journals, and digital access. Outside the library is a ground. It's not just huge, but surrounded by greenery, making it a best place to hang out after classes or host a sports event. This is where every student begins, the first year department, where the classrooms are well ventilated with space. This is a lab for first year for software testing and quality assurance, associated with 3 staff, where a true guide rests. This room is for them, a faculty room. Now we are in mechanical department. The hands-on experience here is a second to none. From precision tools to heavy-duty equipment, students here built, break and rebuild, all under the expert guidance. This beautiful open space is a college amphitheater. From energetic culture fest and lively fresher party to heartfelt farewell and open mic evening, it's a stage for talent, celebration and togetherness. And finally, we end our tour at Canteen, the heart and soul of every college day. And that brings us to the end of this beautiful journey across our classroom. From lush greenery and open classroom to well-equipped labs and vibrant student spaces, Keystone School of Engineering is more than just a place. This is a place where ideas grow, friendship bloom and dreams take a flight. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour as much as I enjoyed showing you around. Until then, stay curious, stay inspired. Thank you.